Happy Halloween season, friends! The time is among us. I have a Superstar round brush number 5 with a Fusion Paraffin White. This is a round number 3 with Poison Green and a hint of brown to give it a hazel eye. Now I've got Mehron Edges Black on a round number 3, and I'm going around the circle in sections so I can get a thin, clean line all the way around. All right, let's do that pupil in the center. There we go, small little dot. And you can do bloody drips like this. I thought was a good idea. I know a lot of painters are doing spider legs, so we'll do that today. And then also you could do a spider web. You could do countless things around the eyeball, so feel free to get creative. Now I've got my round number 3 again with, this is Mehron's red shade. I think it's called Berry. So we're going to do these lines here because this eyeball is stressed out from all the work in October. Face painter joke, dry joke. Alrighty. One more we'll add here. Looks good. And I really love adding the red outline around like scorpions and dragons and scary boy things that typically are like very few colors, right? Like white, black, and another color. And I just like to add the red around. It makes it pop. I really like the effect. It can really bring your creation out a little more. So feel free to get creative. All right, and then lastly, make sure you get your round number 3 brush loaded really, really well with your favorite white. Mine is the Fusion Paraffin White. And add a dot right there for the shine. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it for this one. We will see you next week with another video.